Whether you're blending smoothies, crushing ice, meal prepping sauces, or powering through tough ingredients, the right blender can completely transform your kitchen routine. Today, we're breaking down the best blenders of the year. Compact countertop dynamos, pro-level units, and all-in-one systems designed to make every blend smoother, faster, and easier. If you're ready to upgrade your home cooking game, you're in the right place. Number 6. NutriBullet Pro 900. This compact blender delivers far more power than its size suggests, making it a great choice for anyone who wants fast, smooth results without a bulky appliance. With two 32-ounce cups, it's ideal for large smoothies, protein blends, or quick breakfast drinks you can take on the go. Its 900-watt motor handles everyday ingredients with ease, from leafy greens and frozen fruit to thick nut butters. The texture comes out smooth and consistent, proving that personal blenders can be just as effective as full-size machines for single servings. Cleanup is equally convenient. The cups and lids are dishwasher safe, and the removable blade rinses quickly. Storage is another advantage. Its slim, vertical base fits easily on the counter or inside a cabinet, making it a great option for small kitchens or anyone who prefers minimalist appliances. The limitations are tied to its simplicity. With one speed and no pulse function, it's designed purely for smooth purees, not chunky salsas or textured recipes. And because of its smaller size, it's not ideal for meal prep or blending large batches. Still, for daily smoothie lovers who want a reliable, affordable, and easy-to-clean blender, this model offers excellent performance in a compact package. Number 5. Ninja Professional Blender BL610. If you want big power without a big price tag, this blender is one of the strongest value picks you can buy. With a 1,000-watt motor and a large 72-ounce capacity, it delivers the performance of pricier models while staying budget-friendly. The stainless steel base feels sturdy, and the tall yet cabinet-friendly design makes it easy to store on most countertops. Its large pitcher is simple but effective, perfect for smoothies, soups, sauces, and frozen drinks. Despite lacking extra accessories, the essentials are well thought out. A locking lid with a pour spout for mess-free serving, and suction cups on the base to keep the blender stable when handling tougher ingredients. Blending performance is strong for everyday tasks, delivering smooth textures for most recipes. It handles frozen items well enough for slushies and blended cocktails, though noise levels are on the louder side, which is expected from a blender this powerful. With 3 speeds and a pulse option, it offers simple control for a wide range of blends. Overall, this model is ideal for anyone who wants a durable, no-nonsense blender that consistently delivers strong results at an affordable price. If you're blending for the family, meal prepping, or making big batches, this is a dependable workhorse. Number 4. Clean Blend Commercial Blender. If you want serious power without the premium price tag, this model is built to impress. With a mighty 1,800-watt motor, it handles tough ingredients with ease. Ice, frozen fruit, leafy greens, nut butters, and thick mixtures blend into a smooth, consistent texture in seconds. It's the kind of strength you'd expect in a commercial setting, making it a great choice for smoothie lovers, home entertainers, or anyone who wants cafe-level performance in their kitchen. The variable speed dial is one of its standout features. You can keep things low and gentle for chopping vegetables or building texture, or smoothly ramp up the speed for silky purees and blended drinks. This level of control makes the Clean Blend versatile enough for both everyday cooking and high-powered blending tasks. The 64-ounce pitcher is large enough for family portions and batch prepping. And while it isn't dishwasher safe, it rinses clean fairly easily by hand. Considering the power it delivers, the price is surprisingly accessible, offering performance similar to high-end blenders at a fraction of the cost. If you're looking for a dependable powerhouse that can handle just about anything you throw at it, this blender delivers impressive capability and value. Number 3. Breville Fresh and Furious Blender. This blender delivers the kind of smooth, creamy blends you'd expect from far more expensive models. With its 1,100-watt motor and well-designed preset options, including dedicated buttons for smoothies and green smoothies, it handles thick ingredients with ease. The texture it produces is impressively consistent, making it great for anyone who wants cafe-quality drinks at home. Even berry smoothies come out silky with only the tiniest seeds remaining. Its 50-ounce pitcher is another highlight. It's large enough to make multiple servings at once, which is perfect for families, post-workout batches, or anyone who wants to prep ahead. Despite the generous size, the unit still feels sleek and easy to manage on the counter. Cleaning is generally convenient since the pitcher and lid are dishwasher safe. The only drawback is that the blades aren't removable, which makes hand washing a bit more challenging if anything sticks under the edges. Overall, this model shines with its combination of power, preset convenience, and consistently smooth results. If your priority is great tasting smoothies without fuss, this blender delivers excellent performance in a well-priced family-friendly package. Number 2. Ninja Foodi Power Blender Ultimate System. This system is built for anyone who wants one appliance that can do the job of many. With over 10 accessories, it transforms from a powerful blender into a food processor, smoothie bowl maker, juicer, cheese grater, and dough kneader, giving you a full kitchen toolkit in a single package. Instead of buying multiple machines, you get an all-in-one setup that handles everything from frozen drinks to meal prep. Its 1600-watt motor delivers serious strength. Thick smoothie bowls blend smoothly thanks to the special attachment with dual tamper arms, which help mix dense ingredients without adding extra liquid. It also crushes a full pitcher of ice and produces creamy soups with ease, showing just how versatile the system truly is. We also appreciate the large 72-ounce capacity, making it great for families or batch recipes. Like other Ninja models, the base includes suction cups that keep it firmly in place during heavy blending, perfect for tough mixes. But this also makes it harder to move around your counter. The biggest drawback is storage. With so many blades and attachments and no included storage container, organizing everything can be tricky, and placing sharp pieces in drawers requires caution. Still, if you want one powerhouse that replaces half your appliances, this system offers outstanding versatility and durability in a single package. Number 1. Vitamix Propel Series 750 Blender. This blender represents everything people love about Vitamix: power, consistency, and incredible versatility, delivered in a refined, user-friendly package. Even without touchscreens or a long list of presets, it delivers premium results that feel effortless. With a strong 2.2 horsepower motor and 10 variable speeds, it handles everything from smoothies to sauces with a level of smoothness that sets it apart. Its dedicated soup cycle is a standout, blending and heating ingredients into a velvety, steamy finish without needing a stovetop. Smoothies come out silky with no chunks or grit, even when blending berries or tougher ingredients. Sauces, purees, and dips achieve a restaurant-level texture, making this a great choice for home cooks who want pro-quality results. Cleaning is refreshingly simple. The self-cleaning function works well, and when needed, all the removable parts are dishwasher safe, making maintenance quick and convenient. The 64-ounce pitcher is ideal for families or batch cooking, offering plenty of space without feeling bulky. The only real drawback is the price. It's a premium appliance, and it costs like one. But for anyone who wants a long-lasting blender that excels at nearly every task, this model delivers consistency, power, and reliability that justify the investment. A great blender doesn't just mix ingredients. It unlocks better meals, healthier habits, and faster prep. If this guide helped you pick your next kitchen essential, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss another buying guide. Blend smarter, live tastier.